afternoon. My name is Maria Fernanda Martinez Lenis. My random question is, what motivates you? I think I have thousands of things that motivate me. Being alive, breathing in the morning, and having my living parents are enough reasons to appreciate what I have. But other things motivate me, like being able to do what I like and continue to grow professionally and personally. It is gratifying and enriching to help others, also when people feel comfortable with my work or grateful for some good deed done. It is motivating to feel love and correspond to that feeling. Also feel unhealthy and be healthy and have the strength to meet the obligation of day to day. And even in difficult moments too, because they are a source of motivation to keep going, to improve, or to become stronger. Being resilient and finding the necessary strength in yourself is inspiring not to give up. Having a good partner and two beautiful cats at home waiting for me are also a reason for joy and hope. When I was a child, my father taught me to value simple things, so I learned to be happy even with the simple things, and to find it the richness that fills our souls. Hard work has also played a fundamental role in motivation because without it, I wouldn't enjoy the assets that allow me to have a better quality of life. Starting a second profession at the age of 32, especially the one I like and for which I feel a vocation, is exciting and satisfying. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.